In this video, we will show you how to create a new native banner in our Meiro CDP. To get started, go to the Channels, Web, Native Banners tab. To create a new banner, simply click on the Create Native Web Banners button. If you're editing an existing one, just click on the Edit button next to the banner you want to modify. Next, give your banner a name and choose the conditions for when and where it will be displayed. You can set a schedule or specific URL where it will be shown. You can also select a frequency cap if needed. Select priority in case more banners will be set for the same position. Then, it's time to design your banner. You can either upload an image or insert HTML code. Once you've designed your banner, you can preview it before saving. Make sure to define the element ID, which will determine where the banner will be placed. You can also set the width for the banner, but if it's not defined, it will be related to the size of the element ID. Finally, activate the banner if you wish to display it after saving, and don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. Your banner is now ready to be displayed.